Welcome to Oxygen Travel's exclusive video guide on visa approval. Are you tired of lengthy visa processes? Do you want to discover the secrets to obtaining a visa in no time? In this insightful video, we bring you 10 proven life-changing techniques that will significantly increase your chances of getting your visa application approved quickly. From expert tips to helpful strategies, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your visa application experience. Watch the video now. Visa approval, techniques, life-changing, visa application, expert tips. Are you frustrated with the time-consuming visa approval processes? Do you dream of obtaining your visa quickly and hassle-free? Look no further. In this video, we present to you the ultimate guide to visa approval in no time. 10 proven life-changing techniques. Whether you are planning a business trip, a family vacation, or pursuing higher education abroad, a visa is your gateway to new opportunities. Unfortunately, the visa application process can often be lengthy, complicated, and uncertain. But fear not. We have the perfect solution for you. Technique number 1: research and prepare documentation. The key to a successful visa application lies in thorough research and impeccable documentation. Before initiating the process, it's crucial to understand the specific requirements, forms, and supporting documents necessary for your visa category. Gathering and organizing these documents in advance can save you valuable time and prevent unnecessary delays. Technique number 2: present a compelling itinerary. When applying for a visa, presenting a well-structured itinerary can significantly boost your chances of approval. A detailed plan that showcases your purpose of travel, accommodation arrangements, and a clear timeline adds credibility to your application, instilling confidence in the visa officers that you are a genuine applicant. Technique number 3: evidence of strong ties to home country. Demonstrating strong ties to your home country is a crucial aspect of obtaining a visa. It assures visa officers that you have sufficient reasons to return after your authorized stay. Presenting documents such as property ownership, employment contracts, family commitments, or even financial investments can establish your commitment to your home country. Technique number 4: seek expert guidance. Navigating through the visa application process can be overwhelming. Seeking expert guidance and assistance ensures that you are well informed and make the right decisions. Consulting with immigration lawyers, visa consultants, or even attending visa workshops can provide valuable insights and help smoothen your application process. Technique number 5: submit a polished application. Your visa application is your only chance to make a positive first impression. Ensure that all forms are filled out accurately, without any errors or missing information. Submitting a well-presented, error-free application portrays your attention to detail and seriousness about your travel plans, increasing the prospects of approval. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the top 10 proven life-changing techniques for obtaining visa approval quickly. Remember, visa approval is attainable with the right approach, appropriate documentation, and a well-prepared application. Say goodbye to lengthy waiting times and embrace your opportunities sooner. So, what are you waiting for? Implement these techniques today and witness the transformation in your visa application experience. Don't let time slip away. Start your journey now.